I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us try to understand how to draw top, front and side view of cubic structures. We have a structure right in front of you, so you can actually pause the video and sketch the top view, the front view and the side views of this structure, and then look into my suggestions. So let us begin by understanding what these different views are. When we see top view, we see as if we are standing right on top of the structure and looking downwards. So when we look downwards, we actually see two different squares, as you can see. So we can draw them as two different squares. So let this be our top view. So here are the two squares as you see. Now you also observe that there is a change in depth. This change in depth is reflected by a bolder line. So if I draw a double line here or a bolder line, it means it is change in depth from the top view. So that is the top view for us. Now front view is from here. So the front view is looking from this side. If you look from this side, you see L type of a structure, correct? So we can draw this like we see. So that is the L structure. So these are the three blocks. Okay, and then that is my L structure. Okay, so that is how we see. Now here there is no change in height. This height is same and this height is also same, correct? So it remains like this only since there is no change in height. So that is our front view. Now let us look at from the sides. So it has two different sides. So one, we will call this as the right side, correct? So let us say this is the right side for us. Looking from here. When you look from here, you do see change in height. Do you see that? So from the right side, you see three different layers. So what you see from here is three cubes, one over the other, and at the first layer itself, there is a change in height. So that becomes your right view for this particular block. Now, can you draw the left side view? So the left side view is from this side. So this is your left view, right? So it is left view for you. Now I know you cannot see where I wrote left, but that is your left view. If you see from the left side, what do you see? You see a block of 3, right? So you see a block of 3 as I'm going to draw here. So let us say these are my 3 different blocks, correct? So that is what you see. If you see from the left side, there is no change in any depth, correct? So all this is one block. So there is no bold line when you are drawing from the left side, right? So this is the left side for us. Now review what we have drawn, correct? So top is when you look from the top. And what you get here is two squares with change in height as shown here. Well, I've drawn this much bigger than it should be. From the front is this side, this is your front side, you say L shape, correct? So that is 3 and 1, so 3 and 1 L shape. From the right, you see blocks in standing order, but there is change in depth, and this change in depth is reflected by a bold line here. But when you see from the left side, there is no change in depth, and therefore you do not see any bold line when we show it from the left side. I hope this simple model gives you good understanding of how to sketch top, front, side views of a cubic structure. Thank you and all the best.